Hey everyone, we're going to use quadratic techniques to solve y cubed minus 28y to the 3 halves plus 27 equals 0. So I'm going to use this form here, the definition of quadratic form. And what that means is I want a square, write down your coefficient, and I want this to the first power plus 27 equals 0. Now, for the first power one, we need 3 halves. So we're just going to write in y to the 3 halves power. All right, and then for this one, I need a 3. So since I have this square out here, I'm going to have to write this as y to the 3 halves. Because you multiply 3 halves times 2, that's going to give you the 3. So this is 3 halves times 2, and that gives you the 3. All right, now we just factor and solve. So usually you factor, you put the y here. In our case, it's y to the 3 halves. All right, we need a 27. So that's going to be minus 27 minus 1. That gives you the negative 28 there. And set each piece to 0. So we're going to have y to the 3 halves power minus 27 equals 0. So we have y to the 3 halves equals 27. Now power both sides up by 2/3. This equals 1, so that isolates your y. This is really cube root of 27 squared. So the cube root of 27 is 3, so that's 3 squared equals 9. So that's your solution there. Now we do the same thing for this one. So we set this whole thing to equal 0. That gives you y to the 3 halves equals 1. Power both sides up by 2/3. So this gives you, isolates your y equals 1. So that's the cube root of 1 squared, and that just equals 1. So your two solutions are y equals 1, y equals 9. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.